So a round of applause for Knightscope.
Good afternoon, my name is Bill Lee. I'm the CEO of Knightscope, and we're developing some profound technology to predict and prevent crime. Crime has a $1 trillion negative economic impact on the U.S. and actually impacts every single person in this room. And with the combination of autonomous robots, predictive analytics, and social engagement, we have a plan to be able to show how we can cut crime by 50% in a geo-fenced area. And when we do that, every single mayor across this planet will be giving us a call. The security market in the U.S. alone is over $100 billion, with over 2 million law enforcement professionals and private security guards nationwide. And if you don't think this affects you, during this 3-minute pitch, 58 crimes will have been committed in the U.S. This affects your insurance rates, municipal budgets, your taxes, your family, everything. And with that, I'd like to introduce to you the Knightscope K5 Autonomous Data Machine. Now this machine will run around 24/7 autonomously. It can see, feel, hear, and smell. And it'll pump out 90 terabytes of raw and uncompressed data. And that data is in the form of nighttime and daytime 360-degree video, gesture recognition, optical character recognition, infrared, and a real-time 3D mapping. And we take that machine data and combine it with a social feed that we analyze for any concerns. And then we plot a real-time crime map or heat map that will help us push alerts not only to the authorities, but to the local community. We'll all be offering these next year on a machine-as-a-service business model, $1,000 per 8-hour shift per month. That is the equivalent of $6.25 an hour, fully fringed, and we can actually triple shift these. Obviously, we'll be driving extremely lucrative margins with this. So we have a plan to build a billion-dollar company based on this technology, and given that the top 5 private security companies generate over $40 billion worth of revenue annually with vastly inferior technology, we have a plan to do that. I'm a former Ford Motor Company executive, and over the last 10 years as an entrepreneur, been focused on homeland security, national security, and law enforcement matters. We have the experienced team in place. We're just raising our $1 million seed round now. We've been operating out of the insurance accelerator here, have beta customers lined up, prototype, and you've probably seen them all over the news this week on New York Times, NBC, and Fox. And with that, we are Knightscope, and we thank you very much autonomously.